Cabal, CABAL. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a secret political faction or group involved in a conspiracy. Sentence, the cabal of politicians plotted to overthrow the government. Synonyms, faction, clique, conspiracy, gang. Antonym, alliance, collaboration. Cache, CACHE. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a hiding place used for storing provisions or valuables. Sentence, the treasure hunters discovered a hidden cache of gold coins. Synonyms, stockpile, hoard, stash, reserve. Antonym, lack, scarcity. Cacophonous, CACOPHONOUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, harsh, discordant, or unpleasant sounding. Sentence, the band's performance was cacophonous, causing discomfort to the audience. Synonyms, discordant, dissonant, jarring, raucous. Antonym, harmonious, melodious. Cadaver, CADAVER. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a dead body, especially of a human being. Sentence, the forensic team examined the cadaver for evidence of foul play. Synonyms, corpse, carcass, remains, body. Antonym, living, alive. Cadaverous, CADAVEROUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, pale, gaunt, or resembling a corpse in appearance. Sentence, his cadaverous complexion suggested poor health and lack of sleep. Synonyms, pale, gaunt, haggard, emaciated. Antonym, healthy, robust. Cadence, CADENCE. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, rhythmic flow or sequence of sounds or words. Sentence, the poetry recitation had a beautiful cadence that captivated the audience. Synonyms, rhythm, tempo, beat, flow. Antonym, dissonance, irregularity. Cadet, CADET. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a student in a military training institution, aspiring to become an officer. Sentence, the young cadet showed great discipline and leadership during training. Synonyms, trainee, apprentice, recruit. Antonym, officer, veteran. Cajole, CAJOLE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to persuade or coax someone through flattery or deceptive means. Sentence, she tried to cajole her parents into letting her go to the concert by promising to finish her chores. Synonyms, coax, wheedle, sweet talk, entice. Antonym, dissuade, discourage. Calamity, CALAMITY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a disastrous or catastrophic event, causing great distress or damage. Sentence, the earthquake was a calamity that left the city in ruins. Synonyms, disaster, catastrophe, tragedy, misfortune. Antonym, blessing, fortune. Calculated, CALCULATED. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, done with careful thought, planning, or intention. Sentence, his actions were a calculated move to gain a strategic advantage. Synonyms, deliberate, planned, intentional, strategic. Antonym, impulsive, spontaneous. Cauldron, CALDRON. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a large kettle or pot, often used for boiling or cooking. Sentence, the witch stirred her magical potions in a bubbling cauldron. Synonyms, kettle, pot, boiler. Antonym, plate, dish. Caliber, CALIBER. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the quality or level of someone's ability or character. Sentence, the young pianist displayed exceptional caliber during her performance. Synonyms, quality, standard, level, ability. Antonym, mediocrity, incompetence. Calligraphy, calligraphy. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the art of beautiful and decorative handwriting. Sentence, she learned calligraphy to add an elegant touch to her wedding invitations. Synonyms, penmanship, handwriting, script. Antonym, illegibility, scribble. Callous, callous. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, emotionally hardened, unfeeling, or insensitive. Sentence, the dictator's callous disregard for human rights shocked the international community. Synonyms, heartless, unfeeling, insensitive, indifferent. Antonym, compassionate, sensitive. Callow, callow. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, inexperienced, immature, or lacking sophistication. Sentence, the young writer's work was promising but revealed a somewhat callous style. Synonyms, inexperienced, naive, green, immature. Antonym, experienced, mature.